Hi, Charlie here. I want to share some tips on making the most of your stationary bike. Living in Utah, I split my riding between the great outdoors and indoor sessions. Half the year I'm out enjoying the scenery, and the other half I'm indoors escaping the weather. Over the years, I've racked up over 24,000 miles on my stationary bike, sticking to a routine of 30-mile rides 3 times a week. When I'm riding inside, I've found a rhythm that keeps me motivated and engaged. I listen to music with a tempo of around 150 beats per minute, which helps me maintain a steady cadence. At the same time, I watch TV, muted with closed captions, usually tuned to the financial channel. This way, the music drives my workout, and the TV keeps me informed. It's the perfect combo of fitness and multitasking. Now, I know what you're thinking. How hard can it be? It's just pedaling, right? Well, think again. Here are 5 workouts on a stationary bike that could turn you into the next neighborhood cycling champion, or at least the person whose knees creak the loudest at trivia night. A stationary bike is more versatile than it looks. You can burn calories, build strength, and even simulate racing against Lance Armstrong, minus the doping scandal. But here's the twist. Each workout has its own quirks and challenges, just like your group of chatty friends from the coffee shop. Let's meet these 5 workouts. The first few rides on a stationary bike can feel like you're auditioning for America's Next Top Weezer. Your legs burn, your heart races, and your backside feels like it's been punched by a disgruntled cushion factory worker. As you tackle these workouts, you might wonder, is this a fitness journey or a plot for a low-budget survival movie? Here are the 5 workouts.
1. The Sprint Challenge. Alternate 30 seconds of maximum effort with 90 seconds of light pedaling for 10 minutes. Those 30 seconds feel like you're escaping a bear on a mountain pass, except the bear is invisible and you're stationary. By minute 10, you'll feel victorious, like you've just won a race you didn't know you entered. Pro tip: resist the urge to make victory arms unless you enjoy explaining bruises to friends.
2 hill intervals. Gradually increase resistance for 2 minutes, then lower it for 1 minute. Repeat for 15 minutes. It's like climbing Mount Everest, except your view is a pile of laundry mocking you. You'll feel your quads turning into rock-hard evidence that you can conquer anything, even stairs. Pro tip: lean slightly forward and imagine you're scaling the Alps or just your grocery store parking lot.
Set your screen to a scenic route and ride at a steady pace for 20 minutes. The only thing stopping you from biking through Tuscany is your Wi-Fi buffer. Mental vacation plus calorie burn. Sip water like it's wine, but skip the post-tour baguette unless you're riding for carbs.
Sync your pedaling to a high-energy playlist for 10 minutes. Your rhythm may not match Beyoncé's, but at least your neighbors can't see you. It's cardio meets karaoke. You'll finish laughing and panting, probably in that order. Keep the volume reasonable. Your neighbors didn't sign up for your offbeat rendition of Survivor.
The marathon movie pedal. Watch a movie while pedaling at a conversational pace. You'll end up burning calories during the intense scenes and losing steam during the rom-com bits. A guilt-free binge session that doubles as a workout. Pro tip: avoid thrillers. No one needs a heart attack and tired legs. Your benefits. By the time you've cycled through these workouts, you'll realize the stationary bike isn't just a glorified clothes hanger. It's a ticket to fitness, fun, and the occasional existential crisis about why you bought this thing in the first place. Most effective action steps. Start small, try 5 to 10 minutes of light pedaling before diving into intense workouts. Mix it up. Rotate through these workouts to keep it fun and challenging. Stay consistent. Schedule 3 rides a week, even if you only pedal during commercial breaks. Track your progress. Use an app or jot down your sessions to see improvement. Celebrate your wins. Reward yourself, just maybe not with cake after every ride. So what are you waiting for? Your stationary bike is calling, and this time it's not for a coat rack audition. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and follow.